Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So Nykaa Beauty has finally launched their mascaras and they are available in 3 variants, and as you can see these are the 3 variants. Now according to me this was the most awaited launch from this brand, and these are the 3 mascaras, and my first impression after seeing these mascaras was how colorful the packaging is. Look at those colors guys, yellow, pink, green, all of them are very bright colors and a great packaging for sure. The material is made up of plastic and they are travel friendly as well. Now mascaras are my favorite product when doing makeup because it instantly makes your lashes look bigger and fuller, also gives so much definition to your eyes as well. Also it's a great product when you want that no falsies lash look. Let me know in the comment section if this is true or not and what you guys think about it. So these mascaras claims that they are paraben free, cruelty free and vegan as well. Also they have a waterproof formula which we will check, and they are long lasting, and lastly they have this intense black color payoff. Can you see that? Now let's check whether this mascara is waterproof or not. Now I'm putting some water on it just to check whether it's waterproof or not. This is not waterproof guys. I mean, I don't know whether it was still wet or not, but this is definitely not waterproof guys. Now moving on to the price of these mascaras are quite reasonable and they are under rupees 400. So all these mascaras are made on what type of lashes you have and what kind of look you want. For example, the first one, that is Nykaa Lash Talk Like It Long mascara. So this one is basically for those who have short lashes. It will give that intense length to your lashes. So to make sure whether you are choosing the right mascara for yourself or not, it is very important to check the wand of the mascara. So this one, that is Like It Long mascara, has a pointed brush which helps to lengthen, define and lifts up your natural lashes. This one is priced at rupees 399. The second one is Nykaa Lash Talk Super Sizer Mascara, which is mainly for those who have very fine lashes. This mascara will help to give that volume to your lashes, to make your lashes look more fuller and plump. Now this one has this dense brush with lots of bristles that loads maximum formula to give that intense volume to your lashes. So this one is priced at rupees 399 as well. And lastly, Nykaa Lash Talk Curl Power Mascara, which is mainly for those who have straight lashes, and this will give that dramatic curl to your lashes. It has this curved brush that grabs, separates, lifts and curls your lashes. The wand of this mascara is quite similar to the Lakme Iconic Mascara. It has this similar kind of curved wand. So this one is priced at rupees 349 while others are priced at rupees 399. I don't know the reason why. Also these mascaras claim that they don't clump together or causes any kind of flaking or smudging. Now let's move on to the application part. So first I'm applying the Nykaa Lash Talk Curl Power Mascara, the one with the curved wand and the one with the lowest price among the three. Now let's see how it works on my lashes. Also, as these mascaras fail the waterproof test, so I can take it off really easily with any makeup wipe. Next, moving on to the Nykaa Lash Talk Like It Long mascara, or the lengthening mascara, which will give that intense length to your lashes. Now I have very short lashes. Let's see how this mascara works on my lashes. So this mascara did give some lengthening effect to my lashes, but again not very satisfied with this one because it didn't make much difference to my lashes. Although I applied a single coat of mascara, but I couldn't see that much of a difference. Well, moving on to the last one, that is the Super Sizer mascara or the volumizing mascara. I'm quite excited to try this one. Let's see how it works. So firstly, it didn't deposit a lot of product on my lashes, which is a good thing, which is a problem with most of the drugstore mascaras. Also, it did help to give some volume to my lashes. Can you see that? Well, with that, I think I came to a conclusion. I really like the Super Sizer or volumizing mascara and the Curl Power mascara. Do let me know which one was your favorite among these three mascaras, and are you guys going to try them or not? Please leave a comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear it from you. And yeah, that was it for this video. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press that bell icon beside it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.